In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to total columns in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a personal budget or working on a complex data set for work or school, knowing how to quickly sum column data can save you time and keep your data organized. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open a Google Sheet where you want to perform this action. You can do this by simply navigating to your Google Drive and opening an existing sheet, or by creating a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once you have your Google Sheet open, ensure that you have the data you want to sum up in a recognizable column. Now that your Google Sheet is open, direct your attention to cell A2. This cell will be the location where the sum of the column will appear. Clicking on cell A2 ensures it's selected and ready for input. If you want your total to appear in a different cell, feel free to select that as your destination. It's all about what works best for your particular layout and needs. Once you've selected the appropriate cell, it's time to type in the formula. Here, you'll want to enter the formula equals sum open parenthesis b colon b close parenthesis. It should look exactly like this, equals sum bb. This formula is instructing Google Sheets to calculate the sum of all the numbers in column B. The colon operator within the parentheses specifies that every cell from the top to the bottom of column B should be included in the summation. If your data is in a different column, like column C, D, or E, just replace the B with your column letter. After you've entered the formula, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. What happens here is pretty magical for any data enthusiast. Google Sheets will automatically compute the sum of your entire column and display that total right there in the cell you selected, be it A2 or any other cell you've chosen. You can now easily see how column totals can be displayed without manual addition. And there you have it. Totaling a column in Google Sheets is quick and efficient with just a few clicks and keystrokes. This technique can be applied to columns containing numerical data, simplifying tasks like budgeting, inventory management, or academic grading. I hope this tutorial makes your Google Sheets experience even smoother and more powerful. Don't forget to explore other features of Google Sheets that can further enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in today. And be sure to join us for more step-by-step guides to make your digital tasks easier.